Hi there, let's take a look at Cardano. I'll start with the weekly chart to show you the Wyckoff market structure, then zoom into the daily chart for the shorter term setup. This is education content only, not financial advice. From a Wyckoff perspective, Cardano is currently in the selling climax stage of the accumulation cycle that caused this panic over period as well. Typically, it is range-bound at the beginning of range-bound trading, just like what we see in the past. And the most important weekly support level is this green line of 0.132, 13 cents 20. The immediate or the major resistance is 0.169. And in terms of volume, it has came down pretty significantly compared to the past 6 to 8 weeks. In the daily chart, we see Cardano is still in the rising channel. And if the current very short-term trend upwards is to continue, if the bulls find support along this yellow dash line, it is trending towards the date of 2nd of August, where the 2C's decision can get either it continues with the trend to come to challenge the center line of the uptrend, or it breaks the support over here, right below the light blue key level, and comes back to challenge the bottom of the rising channel. If you're interested to access these sessions 2 days earlier, like current channel members, join them now. See you in the next one. Thank you.